Hello friends, welcome to Vista. Today I brought for you the in-style Casio G-Shock watch which I purchased from Flipkart. It has beautiful fluorescent needles and mesmerizing dial with LCD display. And it is also backlit with amber LED light, as you can see. This one represents the date and month. This is a chronograph for measuring the time interval. You can change its mode. This is stopwatch mode, this is timer, this is world time mode, and this is daily selected. To automatically turn on the amber light here, just go to this mode and you will see it will highlight here. Press it for 2 seconds. This is turn on, light will automatically turn on whenever you move your wrist.